Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some super easy 6-point stars. So let's get started. You can make these from paper, felt, or cardstock. Mark off some strips approximately 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch wide and then cut them out. And you're going to need 6 strips of the same length, and I cut mine 3 inches long. So you have 2 groups of 3, and you're going to glue them into 2 triangles, and then flip one over and glue it over the other, and then glue them where they touch. You can make them out of glitter paper, out of cardstock, or out of felt. Now you can use them plain, or you can decorate them with sequins. And I have some little adhesive studs, and I'm going to use those. So glue them down the 3 sides and then on the points, like that. And that's how easy it is to make these 6-point star ornaments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.